Morning guys, slightly out of breath. I've just walked up a steep hill. Welcome to another episode of the Baking Bird. We've just gotten over the weekend, or we're trying to get over the weekend, the hugely busy one with the wedding that we did. And where are we today?
We're in Dursley today at a place called Leaf and Ground, which was something I saw online, which is lovely. It's really lovely. So they've got like a cafe, a deli, and then you're free to walk all around the grounds, which is beautiful around here. And we're lucky again with the weather. You'll see a bit of the grounds, I think.
I have to put my glasses on.
Do a bit of videoing of that. And they've got a lovely pond. We haven't got down there yet, but we're going to head down that way in a minute. It's lovely.
Just had a lovely meal.
Really nice.
And then we had a coffee afterwards.
Yeah, and an ice cream.
And an ice cream. Zoe. Yeah.
We're alright.
Making full use of the facilities that are available here. But a really, really nice place.
Nice
well
and
worth
peaceful, isn't it? It's,
yeah.
What you need on a Monday sometimes after a busy few weeks.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We had a fantastic weekend just
So
gone,
good.
which was in the last video. So, yeah. And it started early in the week. It's been busy. And it's been a learning experience, I think, particularly for myself with the business. And I really, really did feel valued at the wedding that we just did.
Completely, yeah.
It was really, really nice experience. And I think what I kind of not lost sight of, but what is becoming more and more apparent to me is running the van. It's not just a one-themed business. It's really hard to get across. I'm sure that other people doing the same as us will understand where I'm coming from, but if you do like a wedding or a street market or a corporate event or something at the farm shop, each day is very, very much different dependent on where you are and the audience you're catering
You almost
for.
have different roles. You're not there just to serve coffee.
No, no.
Like a wedding, you're there to talk to the guests. And,
We really, really did feel like hosts, didn't we?
Wow, part of it. It was just felt lovely. I felt like we weren't just there literally just serving coffee or cake. We were part of the day, which was because the couple made us feel so welcome, I think, and their friends and family were amazing. It was just, it's a lovely, lovely experience.
It was.
It's so nice to be part of something so special for people, really.
It wasn't just that process of trying to make drinks quickly and efficiently. It was more about engaging with the guests.
Which is what we've, I think we've both realised that's probably more special to us than just doing a huge event where you're really busy, aren't you? But it is just a process, really.
And it depends what type of event you're talking about. If it's literally like you're just processing a great big queue of people, I mean, it all has its place, because at the end of the day, we're a money-making business. We've got to make money, and at these events you can make a lot of money, and which helps to pay your way. But yeah, it's just interesting to me. It's massively interesting. And yeah, I'm really, really enjoying the experience of running this business, and the
varied people.
Yeah, the variation. That's what I was looking for.
So many different people got different lives. It's just so interesting. It's fascinating. Isn't it?
You sort of see a little window into everybody's life that you meet.
And like our regular customers at the farm shop, we've got to know them so well. Some people, you know, they're your friends. They're not your customers anymore. They're your friends.
No.
It's incredible, really. Anyway, we're carrying with our walk, shall we?
Yes, because we're
breath.
having a nice walk around the grounds.
Yeah, we'll show you the pond in a minute.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun. And my eyes, they still burn for tomorrow. Wanna come alive. I'm keeping up through lows and highs, and I see it.
Morning. to sort of say?
What you wanna-
you've been up to this early? That's what I was waiting for. Go on then.
Right, morning.
Good morning. Third time lucky.
You going to talk about the cakes then, Trace? We're not very scripted this morning, are we? Great.
Rubbish. Okay, so this week, because the weather's been warmer and there's definitely a trend for lemon and that kind of flavoured cakes, I decided to make a big cake, and I wanted to fill it with my own homemade lemon curd, which is much easier to make than maybe some people think. There's a bit of a technique to it, but yeah, we can explain it.
Go on then. What is the technique to lemon curd then? And the ingredients?
The ingredients is really simple. So it's just butter and sugar and lemon juice, which you melt together slowly, not too hot. If you then have your eggs that you whisk up slightly in a bowl on their own, pour half of the hot liquid very slowly, because you don't want to curdle your eggs, into the lemon curd mixture, and then pop all of it back into a saucepan and very slowly and gently heat it until it goes thick. You should end up with a very thick, lovely lemon curd that hasn't curdled or, yeah.
Did you mention about sieving it?
Oh yeah, and I also sieve it at the end.
Sieve it, yeah.
Because you will get a few little white bits from the egg. You will, even if you're very careful. It just happens every time. But if you sieve it afterwards, you get a lovely smooth lemon curd.
Without any scrambled egg in it?
With no scrambled egg, which isn't a good thing with a cake, is it? But it's really nice, and you can keep it in the fridge for a week, I would say, easily. It'll be fine.
It is nice.
So much nicer than shop bought, and it's so easy.
It's incredibly nice, isn't it? Yeah. So how did the cake turn out then, Trace?
It's a large cake. It was so large that I couldn't actually put all of the icing on at home. I had to pipe it when I got here because it wouldn't fit in the tub.
Then we had to wedge some
and
tissue.
It's got to have a little bit of a prop support because it's a bit too
tall for the. We got the highest cake dome that we could find, and the cake's too tall for the cake dome.
But I don't think anyone's going to complain that their piece of cake is very
we've
large.
had no complaints about the size. So yeah, what else was it? Really unusual. Well, I thought it was an unusual combination of ingredients, but it's a fantastic bake, isn't it?
So it's a marmalade, coconut and raisin tray bake this week, and so it's like a shortbread base you make. It's got our marmalade, of course, on the top of the shortbread, and then it's like a coconut sort of raisin base. There's lots going on in the background, so I hope you can hear. And it's just like a tray bake, but it's lovely. It's so nice, and everybody that's had it has really enjoyed it, and it's been really popular, hasn't it?
It's been, it's really nice.
There's definitely, once it gets warm, definitely a change in what people want to eat. Chocolate, not so fussed on, are they? People, they want different stuff. And next week, I'm excited about what we're going to do next week. So we've got lots of lovely fruit-based cakes I'm going to do next week.
Yeah. Oh, the banana.
Oh yeah, banana loaf.
Did a banana loaf as well.
Like so it's like a banana sponge, and then how would you say it? I don't know.
You've used an apple corer, haven't you?
I didn't know how to put it into words, but I've used an apple corer to take some of the sponge out, fill it with a caramel sauce, and then made a caramel buttercream, more caramel, banana chips and fudge. Banana goes very well here too.
Banana cake is very popular.
Yeah, I love banana cake.
So plenty on the counter today.
Yeah, nice stuff.
Yeah. Oh, we've got Dovecot Willow here again today.
Yeah.
So she's going to do some classes on willow weaving.
It's really fascinating actually, isn't it? She does some amazing stuff.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I love she makes some dragonflies out of willow, which I think makes an amazing gift, isn't it, with people? I've never seen anything like it. I think it's great. Oh.
So this is Chris's leg. Chris, who had the accident, of course.
Beautiful bit of work.
Look at that. So that's your hip now?
That's pelvis, hip and leg.
Wow, look at that, guys.
He's filming it. It's going to go all over the world.
Finally getting to drive to work with the door open.
trying to find it. All that I go through for my peace of mind, let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes, I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. Early blue morning, when everything.
Well, thanks very much for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Nice.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.